Foundation repair is the heart of a home, what everything rests upon. And when it becomes unlevel due to the soil conditions and the weathers of South Texas, it tends to move and shift, and that's when we're called in to repair that and give it support.
My dad started Baird Foundation Repair in 1969. We've been in business for 54 years. Foundation repair wasn't even necessarily an industry back in 1975.
The Better Business Bureau has always been a part of Baird Foundation Repair and how we've been able to position ourselves as a legitimate business in the community. From the moment I joined the company, it was something that was instilled in me that it was an important relationship that we needed to take really seriously. What we love about the BBB is that they really are an advocate for both the consumer but also for the business.
We felt like Better Business Bureau aligned with our values as a business and a family, that we wanted to take care of customers, we wanted to do things right.
And when we heard about the Torch Awards, this was something that has always been extremely important for us to apply and want to win.
The winner in the 61 to 99 employees category is Baird Foundation Repair. Congratulations.
That was huge for us.
Our entire team worked really hard to put together a case just to showcase how important integrity and trust and all of those values are to us. And so to be able to be recognized for that was really exciting.
The membership has been a great value for us. We hope that from the time that a customer makes their first contact with our business and when they come in to take care of someone's home or property, we want them to treat that property just like it was their property and be transparent with that customer and let them know what we can do and what we can't do. So my name is Chaney. I'm president and owner of Baird Foundation Repair.
My name is Chaney. I'm vice president and owner of Baird Foundation Repair.
My name is Jade Owens, the director of operations at Baird Foundation Repair, and this is our Better Business story.